Say again?
Who is it?
Oh, an animal rights. Here they are, harassing people as they get in our carriages here. A lot of these people haven't taken their medication today. There you go. There you go. Why would I pull a carriage? I have a beautiful horse. I have 3 of them.
The horse is miserable.
You're miserable.
The horse is miserable.
My horse is beautiful. My horse is beautiful. It's lies. These people know nothing about our horses. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. There you go. Spew your venom. Spew your venom.
Watching your horse, you're being reckless.
My horse is drinking water. My horse is drinking water. I know more about horses than you'll ever know. Okay? I haven't almost crashed before. You're being an exaggerator and an instigator. That's what you're being. That's what you're all being. That's what you're all being.
We care about the horse.
You don't care about my horse. I look after my horse. You don't. You've never seen my horse before. You've never seen my horse before. You've never seen me before. You're just standing here with a bunch of radicals. What does it feel like to be losing? How does that feel? Huh? What does that feel like?
You're losing, man.
What does it feel like to be losing?
Just like
What does it feel like? What does it feel like? You're harassing people. You're in the way. Hey Elizabeth, you see the water there? See the water in the trough, Elizabeth? See the water?
Shouldn't be riding carriage horse.
They can do what they want. This is America.
Yeah,
they can do whatever they like. They can do whatever they like, you fascist. You're a fascist. Now we finally had to get the police to get rid of these guys. People still here in spite of the animal rights people, lined up waiting for carriages.
Get you all covered up.